Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Splitstream, and today another video for you. So basically today I will show you how to use USB tester to check the voltage and current which coming out of your chargers, other USB devices. Basically we're gonna measure the current, we're gonna see how much voltage output is there. So stay with us and we're gonna start now. For this purpose I bought a USB tester. Basically it's a quite cheap item. You can purchase it from anywhere such as Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, or probably any local electrical shop. So let's open it and have a look. There is manual, there's some warranty card, but it's not the cheapest one. The price range about from $3 up to $25, but this costs somewhere in the middle, like $12 or £10, whatever. So it's orange button here, some display. It says USB tester. There is some even brand tag life, because sometimes Chinese products they don't have any bloody brand, so therefore you cannot know if it's actually working or not. So, and there is some specification. Let me get closer. So input, so direct current, direct voltage from 3 up to 9 volts, and we can measure the current from nil up to 3.5 amps. Capacity also possible to check. So that's the small unit. So here USB and here USB. So basically that plug goes into your USB charger or PC, and here you can, it's like an extension. It's basically the link in between your device and charger, or in between PC and your device again. So, and that small tester would help us to measure the voltage and basically the current. So let's start. Okay guys, let's do some quick check now. So that's our USB tester, and that's PC, USB 3, USB 2. This is front panel USB. I basically not sure if it's best way to check here, but I not really have access to the back of PC at the moment. So let's check the front one. So USB 3, 5.07 volts it shows us. First number is a voltage. There is no current shown because there is no charging happening or no any device connected to that side of the tester. Let's check USB 2, 507, the same reading showing in the voltage. Right, let's see if there is any difference when we connect actually phone on charging. So how to do that? Basically simply connect your phone with USB cable. That side of USB cable connect to our device, and then you plug in into one of your USBs. So USB 3. Right, what we can see now, basically the voltage slightly drops down because of some loading on the device, and current, let me switch on the phone, just charging only, and current show 0.6 amps. Yeah, so at the moment USB 3 performing like that when we charging our phone from our PC. So all the numbers you can see here. Let's switch to USB 2. So disconnect, connect to USB 2. So I believe voltage dropped a bit smaller, lower as well. So comparing it to USB 3, and the amps basically slightly lower. So simple. So this phone charging from USB 3 better than from USB 2, which is obviously correct. This is how it should be. So let's check some other devices such as TP-Link. It's time to check now this shiny TP-Link 7-port hub with 2 charging points. So basically TP-Link has got his own, is not powered by USB from PC. He's got his own charger which is connected there, and that way is connected to PC just to transfer the data. So charging points, they're not transferring any data. A maximum charging the current they could give up to 2.4 amps. And that's basically a set of USB 3. So let's see, basically the same way we connected our USB tester from one side to the phone, Sony phone this time, no advertisement, just a Sony phone, and this USB we connect into any of these ports and then read the data. So it's showing 5.2 volts and couple of hundreds amps at the moment as phone is on a charge. amps are variable, so I just start to play with the phone, so they just went up. Basically 5.13 volts is a charging voltage at the moment. So let's check now charging ports, one of the yellow port. So we have 5.21 volts, and again let me play with the phone. It's just a couple of 100 amps here, so we can see the voltage and we can see the amps going now at this moment through from this device into the phone while it's on charge. So I do believe we need to have a look now at a couple of phone chargers and see what they're gonna show us, what results. So anyway, this tester you can also use in a car if you're not sure what voltage your car giving to you. So basically you can connect USB devices there and measure it, so you will have some numbers to figure out if your alternator doing well or battery is still charged or not, basically. Right, let's carry on with a couple of phone chargers now. Here I have 3 chargers. So fast adaptive charging from Samsung Galaxy Note 4, charger from Huawei P8 Lite, and no, that's the one from Huawei, and that's from iPhone 6s. So basically first test, simple test, we just gonna see without connecting any phone how much voltage chargers perform in themselves. So first Samsung, let's bring it closer, 5 volts Samsung, 5.05, sorry, iPhone charger. It's a little bit more powerful, 5.12 volts, as you can see. And then Huawei charger. So Huawei charger is closer to the Samsung, just somewhere stuck in between the iPhone charger and Samsung charger. Right, now let's connect the phones to them to have a look what results we're gonna have after connecting our mobile phones, smartphones. Alright guys, here I have Huawei P8 phone connected with the USB cable to our USB tester, and now we're gonna plug this tester one by one into the chargers and to see what results we're gonna obtain. So first Samsung. Right, 5.24 volts, 1 amp, 1.04 amps. Current situation is on a voltage and current while phone is on charge. Let's have a look iPhone 6 charger and compare the results. So basically switch to iPhone 6s charger, which showing a little bit lower voltage, however the same current output. Yeah, so Samsung would basically charge phones little bit faster, but that's not the case because of very similar results. And let's check original Huawei charger for that phone. So our results are basically current is the same on all the chargers and voltage similar here to the iPhone charger, however Samsung giving more voltage. And basically this is adaptive ultra fast charging as well, however it's gonna, I believe it's gonna work only with Samsung phones what are basically suitable for that function. Yeah, so with this phone it's just not really working. So that's it guys, I think for today is enough. Basically the purpose of that was not to measure output of voltages in our devices, in my devices at home. I just have noticed on PC is most not stable data we're getting, so the current is quite low, and basically that's why phone charging probably much lower, much smaller from PC than from original charger, at least my PC. So, and the purpose of video was to introduce to you this USB tester. As I said, this is the only one. This is not the only one. You can buy a lot of them. Basically, they are cheaper, they are most expensive. But if you buy the stuff like that, trying to buy with some brand like Tag Life, this one is, or again, this is not advertisement, but just at least you will have some warranty on it, and pretty much sure the data what USB tester will show more or less accurate compared with some no-name devices. So once again, it's very simply to use, there is no batteries required, it's all USB powered, and all the data, all your results you will see on the screen. So with that device you can check, as I said, voltage and current, what goes through the charger to your device. And basically that's it, guys. Stay with us, we're gonna perform more videos very soon, and have a good day. Bye bye. And as a little bonus at the end, I know, guys, you probably never get to this part of the video when you're watching our channel, but anyway, just for fun, that's Xbox One, and basically let's have a look. I connected my phone again with via USB cable to device, and let's plug in the USB of Xbox. And basically what you can see here, you can charge your phone from Xbox with no problem, and voltage and current is on your display, so 5 volts and 0.45 amps is output out of Xbox One. And I'm pretty sure you can do the same works with Xbox 360, so also you can try that. I just don't have this Xbox, I sold it ages ago, therefore there is a problem to check, but now I also will check voltage from USB from back of TV, LED TV. Stay with me, please. Right, guys, I just set the camera on back of TV, so that's our device. The phone is connected to it, as you can see, with the USB cable. And just let's choose one of the USB ports, probably this one most powerful, which should give 5 volts and up to 1 amps output. So let's connect it and check what's going on here. So basically, yeah, reading on your screen, and phone, as you can see, phone is charging. Yeah, there is a charging sign on it. Basically, again, you can watch 5 volts and 0.44 amps. Basically, you can charge your phone from your TV if you forgot your charger, or if you don't have other USB devices. Just it's good to know that, obviously. And now is really that's it with this video. Thank you very much once again for watching. All the best to you guys. Stay with us. Bye bye.